All this pain got me stuck up in my thoughts. Ain't nobody perfect, I just play my fucking part. You left me all alone, I was standing in the dark. Now I'm lost in this world and don't know which way to start. My daddy always told me, watch my circle and play my cards. Call me crazy the greatest, I was born to be your god. Hate me now, your sad life is so sad, right? You talking about petting me while you on your fucking knees. I thought you said you never needed me. Yeah, I thought you said you never needed me. Yeah, well let me switch this subject, please. Switch this subject, please. What up, guy was banging peas, dropping the rich and stuffing on T's. Flow so sick as it made the D's. Oops, I sneeze. Think too hard, you'll bring my bleed. I'm high teching that up to speed. I'll be on mine, I check on my seed. That's the kid you wanted with me. Put you under 6 feet deep. Buried alive to open your eyes. Now welcome to my demon mind. Yeah, bitch. Now welcome to my demon mind.
Think a man should never, ever, ever. To think a man should never, ever, ever. To think a man should never, ever, ever. Try to walk a mile in my shoes, bet you won't make it 2 feet. I've been thinking a lot, writing in these loose leaves. Rolling up Vegas filled with trees. This beat makes me think of Big C, my OG. Hope you see, I try, been holding tears in. All you niggas gon' get from me is war cries. I stand with my fam, we don't believe in fall guys. Going for the gold, this shit is all mine. Gotta go down as the greatest of all time. Do I gotta spell it out? Nah, that would be wrong. If I do, you shouldn't even be hearing this song. The stress and depression been pressing me. Almost took my life at least twice, but I carried along. The evidence is in the penmanship, the ink, my blood that I could've spilled on my room walls. Feel like Uncle Nick telling me, mijo, don't you go and lose all. But your mom and pops dead and ingrained in you. You survived. Then I wake up mad as hell cause Unc ain't alive. Wishing I could find the nigga who did it and take his life. Hop in the booth and kill 5 or 10 tracks to ease my mind. The demon in the pit of my stomach caged. I relate to the 7th Hokage. Take upon his traits when I sense fear in the air. Welcome to my demon mind. Question still for me is, who am I? Who am I? To think a man should never, ever, ever. To think a man should never, ever, ever. To think a man should never, ever, ever. To think a man should never, ever, ever.